Hello darlings, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fashion by Faith Iman, our fashion accessories mini series for the fall. So in this series we're going to be talking about quick tips and ways to get super organized with your accessories. I know you are probably like me and have done a lot of quarantine Amazon shopping and probably are just completely disorganized at some point or portion of your life. But when it comes to accessories, even if we're not going out as much, it can be a big hassle to keep them minimal and organized, especially considering what's been going on with our shopping. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, because this is a highly requested video series for all of you who have accessories and just want to get organized on the super cheap, low budget. So one of my first things I've done is that I have started a couple of side projects and freelance businesses this year. And one of them I started was a jewelry line. And you guys will see more about that in the future. But, however, in the process of some of my samples and getting my sample kit in, I said I need to get organized with this. And it's a tremendous amount of jewelry, almost more than 60 pieces. So I went ahead and went to Ross and purchased one of these gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, jewelry hangers. And this one is, it has a double-sided, and I want to say it was less than $7 to $10. It might even have been 10 to 14 if I'm not mistaken, but definitely under 20 bucks. And it was really, really worth it because you have all of these compartments for both your earrings, necklaces, and larger pieces can fit down here. Not to mention these roll up very well, and they're very easy to travel with. So you can just roll it up and take it with you on shoots. And I think that's something I needed, especially with our photography brand, taking things with me. And here are some of the jewelry pieces, and so you guys can see, and just beautiful. And it's two sides, and so again, I can fit more than a good 100 to 200 pieces inside. So that's a good way to get super organized with your jewelry. And of course it's hanging, so we love hanging things, right? Oh my God. So that was the main way I've been storing my jewelry so far. I do have a jewelry box, but it's something I really recommend getting because it's super easy, super inexpensive. It comes in a variety of styles. You can find those online. And of course, I love the fact that it's clear and I can see all my pieces instead of my stuff being in jewelry boxes and like various places in my closet, in my wardrobe, and on my my vanity. So that is a big investment piece, and it has been so helpful for me to just pull what I need and go. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I am going to go ahead and post the next series, and you guys join me as always. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know for our image consultant sector which tips and things that you need help with, and we're here to help you virtually at fashioned with an ed /iman.com.